Ang singsing na ito ay simbolo ng wagas at walang katapusang pag-ibig ko sa iyo. Ingatan mo ito at palagi mong isuot. Parang pag-alaala mo sa akin sa bawat oras.
Please wear this ring as a sign of my love. You are God-given to me, and I promise that I will be yours until my last breath.
One of the greatest gifts of God to mankind is marriage. Good marriage are no accident. Tough times can strike any family relationship, but deciding to love in practical ways can result in a relationship that are tougher than tough times.
For the past 17 years, you have been my friend, my mentor, my playmate, my confidant, and my lover. So I promise to try my best to respect you and to let myself be the wife that God wants me to be, so that His will in our life together will be fulfilled. Nee, from this day forward, you are my husband and companion, and I promise, with God's divine assistance, that I will continue to be loving and faithful wife for the rest of our lives.
Mahalaga na pahalaga natin ang ating asawa. Hindi lamang isang tinatawag na kapag naliligaw pa lamang, ina-express mo ang iyong pag-ibig, ipinapadama mo kung gaano mo siya kamahal, but especially, lalo kapag kayo'y kasal na. Dumarating ang mga pagsubok at bagyo sa buhay ng mag-asawa. Hindi tayo exempted na laging masaya ang pagsama ng mag-asawa. Ang kailangan lamang po dito ay bukas ang puso, isipan at damdamin ng bawat isa.